是，你可唔可以試下呢件衫？
Can you try on this piece of clothing?
2. 瞓，我好攰，想早啲瞓覺。
I'm very tired and want to sleep early.
3. 叫，你聽日記得叫我起身。
Remember to wake me up tomorrow.
4. 再，唔該你再講一次。
Please say it again.
5. 戲，我哋今晚去睇戲好唔好？
Shall we go see a movie tonight?
6. 半，我食咗半個蘋果。
I ate half an apple.
7. 鏡，塊鏡好乾淨。
The mirror is very clean.
8. 姓，你姓咩？
What's your surname?
1. 試，你可唔可以試下呢件衫？ 2. 瞓，我好攰，想早啲瞓覺。3. 叫，你聽日記得叫我起身。4. 再，唔該你再講一次。5. 戲，我哋今晚去睇戲好唔好？6. 半，我食咗半個蘋果。7. 鏡，塊鏡好乾淨。8. 姓，你姓咩？